Holy schnikowitz, boys. It's been a minute. Lord, there's the straps for it.
Oh, okay. Perfect. All right, perfect. Thanks.
Right on, man. Have a good night. Good scores. Paid $300 for that fuel tank. Sold it for $5. That other fuel tank I paid $300 for. Sold it for $8. Scores. I'm a fuel tank Schmidt. Oh, but just like cutting holes in my friggin' fuse box and different things. So we can run wires. I started, I'm hooking up this, fuse switch or something like that, and I noticed the wires, there was a couple wires and stuff, and it was just dick, but there was already just a nest. Like, see how this is all wound around there and this and that, but there's this wire here that I cut off, this one, and it was going into this, and then the other end is going right to the friggin' main arsenal, and then under the dash. Like it was like tied in to another, like this already had power. Like this switch was for the light on the friggin' holy shit. And then like these blue wires, they come through and then this and that, but then they're like spliced together into this bundle. Not sure, what we're really gonna find in there. That doesn't make any sense at all. But then they go over there on the dash somewhere. So who knows what we're unhooking, but we're certainly not leaving it like that. So there's no sense in, whatever, we'll figure it out later. But right now, this has got to come off of there. That's just completely ridiculous. Unreal. And like, what's this? Why? Oh, you know what this is. I think this is the starter. That looks like the starter plug right there. So I'll have to rewire that. We already did the downstairs because it was literally just like two wires twisted together, just out in the open breeze. Oh, I apologize. Yeah, so that's definitely what that is. Right on. So I guess we'll clean that up a little bit. What would you take it off of there for? Just wow. But yeah, that's what that is. That's the starter there. But anyways, we'll like what, like what, did you not have wire cutters or something? You couldn't have cut the wire shorter? You needed to fucking tie it in like a bouquet around the friggin' what's it? Holy shit, you're a fucking idiot. Wow. Holy fuck. What a fucking maroon. That's good right there. No fuse on it or fuck all, just a fucking wow. I thought I did just ferocious wiring, but this is unique. This is new. This is new to me. My wiring is ferocious. You know what I mean? Like, what does your deal have to be? You know what I mean? Oh, wow, this is fucking diabolical. This fucking wire here goes to fucking here. So they put like 12 wires through here. This is the wire right here.
For
But used fucking the green one for ground and the red one.
so they used 2 wires out of 18.
I think even this fucking thing is fucking war fucking through. This is ridiculous. I've just got like random wires out of the harness disconnected, and then other wires with like those stupid blue things and just shoot straight into the wire, like just f***ed it. That's good. And then like a starter, I don't know what the f*** this is, alarm or something maybe. It's the f*** gotta go. Ah, that's what that is. That's just all that bullshit. Okay. What is this, like fucking extension cord? Yep. Lamp cord.
Fucking heavy speaker wire or some shit.
Like, what am I even fucking seeing here?
I don't mean to laugh.
That's like Carpenic's been involved in this or something. Holy f***. Like, this is like going into the doors. This must be like a remote fucking door lock fucking thing. This is like putting power to all the fucking doors. Nice. Nice. Fuck yeah. You always want to use Scotch locks whenever you can. Oh, man.
I hate those connectors.
You think? And like the bottom, holy fuck, like that's how fucked this. So this wire goes down through this thing and then back up and then into there. And this wire isn't connected to anything. That's why the fucking what's it doesn't work. check this out. Got the friggin' parameter friggin'. Oh, great, that's all loose dick now. But trans temp's hooked up. Parameter works now. Boost gauge always worked. But what else? Oh yeah, this. So we got one of these switch panels friggin' hooked up. Way more decent. I mean, of course, I got a friggin'. Gotta hook all type of more shits up to that, the friggin' fuel pump and all that good stuff. But oh, and fix all the leaks. Just sitting here a minute, there's like leaks all over the place. So that's awesome. What happened?
I don't know. What really did happen?
Oh, I'm pretty friggin' stoked, boys. Friggin' we got some work done on the friggin' what's it? Got a bunch of the wiring friggin' sorted out, cleaned up all the nonsense of the dash. Look at Welder Steve go. Just a Welder Schmidt terrible. Probably won't be able to sant it, but under there's like lockety McSplocken now. There's no just right rigmarole. Very mucho. Very mucho. We got that switch panel hooked up so that we can run different shits, but look at all the wirings that was under the dash. Like, there's just this piece running from, like, you know, basically the clutch pedal to like beside the dash. Like, it's ridiculous. And then just like teeming with different stuff. And like, look at this thing. It's got relays onto it, and I mean, they put like button door. There's not even power locks in the truck. So they would have had to rig up power locks and stuff. Ridiculous. Let me just get new doors, the wiring harness for the friggin' power, and be done with it. Like I'm gonna do Monday. But this is yeah, I just wanted to get all that shit cleaned up so we got like a nice base. Because we got a nice base to start from, because I got friggin' MGDQ friggin' exhaust and a friggin' pack brake exhaust brake and friggin', you know, train horns and friggin' air compressors and stairwards and air tanks and things and lights and sirens and whistles, all type of whistles. But another good thing, the friggin' trammy deck let me survive another day, so that was good of them, because I've been really worried something terrible, you know what I mean? It's like, I didn't mean to hurt his feeling, but I just wanted my trammy fixed, and he wouldn't fix it, and he's a goof. So that's how that worked. But hopefully him being a goof doesn't end up getting me killed. That'd be terrible. But anyways, I'm gonna figure out here. I got a couple things I gotta do, and then we'll come back and, I don't know, do something else. It'd be awesome. Well, only down 15 quarts a liter. 15 quarts a liter. Good Lord, I'm brain image. Only down 15 quarts of Earl in the old rig there, so that's not too bad. Just added about 15 quarts. Gurgle, you know what I mean? Not terribly of a big deal, but check this out, dudes. I know this one dude named Welder Schmidt Steve. You know what he does at his work? He's a freaking welder Schmidt. So the guy fucking works all week welding Schmidt and different things, and then he's like, you know what? I'm gonna take my days off and I'm gonna come to Inwood and be a welder Schmidt. Look at this, my new one, hey, my friggin' new one. Oh, Welder Schmidt Steve, ladies and gentlemen. Classy fella. Oh, you missed a spot, buddy.
Which one?
I apologize. Holy shit. Holy fucking shit. You know what I mean? We should shut her down and pack her up anyway. Got the gas off?
Yeah, I guess so. Oh, I'm pretty here.
And we'll go for a truck ride and lift piss mats. Hey, you love lifting piss mats? You love piss mats.
Oh, these ones are covered in dirty.
Oh man, that's so fucking awesome. Great. Gurgle bus. Full bore. Zero Bugatti. I apologize.
Well, that guy does training services. He services trannies. It says on the sign. The good stuff, it says to you. Coming up behind us.
Behind us?
Yeah.
Holy dude, you need to pipe the down. Where's the where's the
fire?
sale on the beer, bud? Hey? Where's the pop sale there, bud? Oh, hey, you guys all just don't too. That'd be fucking great. That'd be great if all you guys just don't.
See, they're all stopped right here, so maybe maybe we'll see something cool.
Oh man. Big sale at the fucking beer store, boys. Oh, suck dick! Let's go thundering by like 3 biscuits to pull into the parking lot. Yeah.